I've got 14 days to build this, and if I fail in front of the entire internet. Hey everyone, NullSimLabs here. I wanted a challenge to help level up my game development skills, so I've thought of this challenge to truly put a test to everything I know. The challenge isn't crazy like making GTA 7, but instead, the goal here is to make a small and simple coin idle game in 14 days. The rules for this challenge are simple, have 4 different coins, involve upgrades of some kind, contain music and sound effects, and lastly, save the player data. I know what you're thinking, just put it all into ChatGPT and you'll be done in a day. Since I want to torture my brain just to actually learn, the rules for this challenge are no AI doing the work, no cheating or copying tutorials, no third-party assets, and lastly, the one I'm most excited for, stream every day for the next 14 days to showcase my progress to the world. I have absolutely no idea what's going to happen in the next 2 weeks, but one thing's for certain, it's probably going to be chaotic. If you're interested in what I plan to start working on first, it's going to be